Word clouds, also known as word art, are a great way to visualize the words by organizing them into the form of an aesthetic pleasing shape. They are popular among buyers on many print-on-demand sites, and as you can see on these examples from Redbubble, you can create interesting looking design from just a few simple words. And in this video, I will show you how to create such a design with a little effort and with the use of the Shapecloud tool on Creative Fabrica. If you don't know what Creative Fabrica is, then you definitely miss a lot. Creative Fabrica is an online marketplace for creatives and artists to sell their work and reach new customers. Here you can find original art and tons of fonts that can be used for any print-on-demand project. Most designs and illustrations on Creative Fabrica come with full POD license that is simple to understand. With a full POD license, you can easily put any of these designs on any physical or digital product and sell it. I am combining Creative Fabrica and Canva to create awesome design in just a few minutes. And I think for me, these two websites are essential when running a print-on-demand business. Recently, I found a tool on Creative Fabrica called the Shapecloud tool. It is available for everyone who has a subscription for free, and if you have no subscription on Creative Fabrica, then you can only download 5 custom designs made by this tool. According to me, if you are serious with print on demand, then paying for Creative Fabrica is one of the best investments you can make. In the time of recording this video, Creative Fabrica is running a promo, where you can get unlimited access to all the illustrations, fonts and tools for just $1 per first month, and then you will pay $23 each month, and you can cancel the subscription anytime. But still, it's on you. I want to be honest. I have cancelled my Placeit subscription, and for my print-on-demand projects, I'm paying only for Canva and Creative Fabrica. It's enough for me. But let's go to the topic. In this video, I want to show you how to use the Shapecloud tool to make a word art very quickly. As a non-designer, I like to use tools that can help me make a good looking art that has a potential to sell. When you first view the tool, you have a default head silhouette with 5 words. As you can see at the top left corner, there is a place you can add your own words. And under this section, you can also choose from a few default shapes or upload your own shape. Under the shape section, there is a drop-down menu where you can select font, and at the bottom there is a place where you can select a single color or use a multicolored schema. This is a Shapecloud tool in a nutshell. So let's take a look at how to use it. The first thing you should do is to change or upload your shape. While there is plenty of pre-made shapes, it is better to upload your own. Just go ahead and click the Upload Shape button. However, it is important to know you can upload only SVG format images. If your image is a JPEG or PNG, don't worry, there are plenty of free converters available online that will convert the format to SVG. For this case, I'm using a cut SVG, and I want to show you how great it looks as a word art. To make the art more original, I'm using custom words that are related to cats. Then I click Update to see all the changes, and voila! Pretty interesting design. The design on the Shapecloud tool is set to default to one single color, but I like to use more colors. Luckily, you can switch to schema with a pre-made color palette. And according to me, the result is insane. And what is more, it is a quick design with a huge potential. You can easily expand your collection on any print-on-demand platform with such designs. Making designs does not have to be a hard work. With the right tools, and even without designer skills, you can achieve great results. So it is on you. You can use the link in the description to try a Creative Fabrica for $1 and get unlimited access to quality fonts and graphic digital designs.